Now we are getting a new problem. Here we have to find the integration of sine inverse of x, and in denominator it is written that 1 minus x square to the power 3 by 2. It's simple. If I will take sine inverse of x, that is equal to t, we can do the differentiation of this. We will write it as root of 1 minus x square dx, that is equal to dt. But there's an issue. Here we are having 1 minus x squared to the power 3 by 2. But here we are getting 1 minus x squared to the power 1 by 2. So what we will do with this? We can write x square 1 minus x square 3 by 2 as 1 minus x square, and you can write 1 minus x square to the power 1 by 2. This value will be written in the form of integration. We will write sine inverse of x, and 1 minus x square to the power 3 by 2, you will write x square, and here you will write it as 1 minus x square to the power 1 by 2 dx. Now we can use the property that we had used as assumption, that sine inverse x is equal to t. You will write t. This 1 minus x square to the power 1 by 2 dx can be written as dt. What about 1 minus x square? So what we will do, instead of x, you will write sine of t. So since it is squaring, so you will write 1 minus sine square t. Once you will write this one, then after that you can write it as t, and 1 minus sine square t will be written as cos square t and dt. Once you will write this one, then after that t, cos square t will be written as sec square t and dt. Now we can separate. We can take t as the first function. Okay, so we'll write t here and do the integration of sec square t, because it's a integration by parts. That's why. Now we will do the integration again and doing the differentiation of t with respect to t, and taking the integration of sec square t dt, and you will take the whole as dt. Now what is the value of t? We will write as it is t. What is the integration of sec square t? You can write it as tan of t minus dt by dt. You will get this one as equal to 1, and sec square t will be written as tan of t, and we will have dt. Okay, so we will get the final answer as t and tan t. But what about this tan t? So we already know that tan t can be written as log of sec of t, and you will get plus of c. Now we will replace all the values of t in terms of sine inverse x. So you will get it as sine inverse of x. Let's write it here. Okay, sine inverse of x tan of, here you will write sine inverse of x minus a log of sec, and inside that you will write sine inverse of x plus of c. So this is the final answer that you will get. So if you really like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I am providing this kind of question where you will get a understanding that how to solve the concept of integration. So we will discuss these kind of question. Till then, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like